Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool amazing part right here in my hand, if you can see. Basically what it is a digital kitchen scale that you can use to measure your food, your flour, or any kind of ingredients that you want to make sure is at the right amount. You guys can basically use this for those scenarios. So first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product itself, that's what it looks like inside there. So when you guys take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. So we have 3 batteries right here. If you can see, it uses 3 AAA batteries that they provide for you guys. And then right here we have the kitchen scale. So when we take out the scale right here, underneath that they provide you guys the instruction guide and also a warranty card as well, if you can see right there. And that's basically everything that's in the packaging itself. Let's take a look at that product right here. Alright, so the kitchen scale is right there. You guys can just balance stuff on here. They have the logo right there, the display screen right there. They have the tier button and the unit button right here. And on the back part, this is what it looks like right here. So they have the anti-skid materials throughout the product right here. So that way it won't move around when you just actually put stuff on here. And this is where you put in the battery right here. So let's open it up. So use this 3 AAA batteries right there. So let's open up the battery that they provide us right here first and put it in. Alright, so we got battery in. Let's close it back up. Alright. And there you guys have it. So let me actually put this down on a flat surface and try out and show you guys what it actually looks like and how to use it. Alright, so we got the product here set up. Let's try it out. So all we need to do is turn it on like this first. And then you guys mostly want to change like the unit on here. So right now we're using pound. So you just want to change the unit. Just keep clicking this until you guys change it to the right one. So there's grams, there's pounds, there's ounce and pounds, there's ounce, and there's milliliter right there. We're just going to use the pound. So I'm just putting the product on here and see what it actually works. Alright, so that works. And if you guys want to tear it. So once you guys tear it, this is basically what happens right here. And then if you guys move it, it goes negative, and you guys want to fix it, it goes back to normal like that. So really easy and really simple to use. Just don't go over 13 pounds if you guys do plan on using this. Anything under 13 pounds should be fine, but you guys can see it does work. Pretty fast results as well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of the product itself. You guys can see that actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use. You can control like all the different like measurement, and the material that they use on here is pretty good as well. The bottom part I'm pretty sure like it's plastic material, but this is actually stainless steel. And I definitely love the fact on how it has a backlit light, so that way when you guys are using it at nighttime in the dark, you guys can still see the actual weight on here. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we do a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of kitchen scale is definitely really worth it, especially if you guys are trying to like measure your food, if you guys want to do like meal prep and everything, this is definitely worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have